Hey guys! Today I'm gonna teach you on how to apply custom sounds and notification in Messenger. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more. Let's start. First, open your Messenger. Then click the three bars in the upper left side of your screen. Click the settings icon. Scroll up and find sounds and notification. Turn this button on. Here, you can see ringtone and customize notification. You can click the ringtone first. And here are the options of ringtones you can select. Now, we will select customize notification. Turn this button on. Here are the options you have to customize your notification sound. And that's how you customize sounds and ringtones on your Messenger. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it, and bye for now.